How would you like to be able to send a direct message to the phones, tablets, and computers of 3 billion people all with a single click of a button? Better yet, imagine if minutes from now you could have your very own messaging machine that got you 98% open rates, reaching people in 180 countries, blasting your affiliate link to millions of people in seconds. You always hear the words, build your list, and the money is in the list. And that's because when you have a list, you literally have access to push-button profits. Big marketers are cashing in thousands simply by sending one message. But it's nearly impossible to get quality email leads and build your list up. Plus, people are non-stop using their phones, texting through a bunch of social media apps and away from their email inboxes. The bottom line is this: it's hard to build an email list and even harder to compete to convert it to sales. So what's the fix that gets you all the benefits of an email autoresponder while letting you tap into virtually unlimited leads and instant traffic? The first ever Twitter autoresponder, introducing Profit Tweet. Twitter has 2 billion plus users and they each check their Twitter an average of 30 times a day. That's insane. Open rates on Twitter are 98% and it's attracting insane attention. Just ask Elon Musk. Profit Tweet is a brand new software that automatically finds Twitter targeted leads, adds them as a contact, then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link. And brand new for July 2022, an email autoresponder with built-in SMTP servers that can email your Twitter leads straight to their inbox. It can send direct messages to one contact at a time, or you can blast out millions of emails and Twitter messages at once. We give you your own dedicated SMTPs, sending servers, and IP pools, so you can send out millions of messages at once at zero cost. It's email marketing on steroids, but finally with no list building needed because all the leads are generated from Twitter. And when you add in the Twitter messages, you get virtually 100% open rates. The best part, it works even if you have 0 Twitter contacts. So you can send your affiliate link to millions of people that are targeted to your niche and have them read from their phone. Profit Tweet automatically finds Twitter targeted leads, adds their profiles as a contact, and then sends unlimited messages with your affiliate link inside of Twitter. And it even lets you add their emails to the dedicated SMTP built-in email autoresponder and start reaching their inboxes in seconds. Here's just a glimpse of the features. Cloud-based Twitter messaging system, 98% opens guaranteed. Instantly import unlimited contacts and start messaging within seconds. No contacts? We help you get red-hot Twitter leads today. Unlimited Twitter messaging and SMS with built-in SMTPs. Drag and drop message builder with scheduler so you can send now or schedule for later. And brand new for July 2022, an email autoresponder with built-in SMTP servers that can email your Twitter leads straight to their inbox. There are a few moments in our lives where we're faced with a huge opportunity that can truly change who we are. This is one of them. Imagine if you could, overnight, have access to 2 billion phone numbers and the ability to blast any message, link, or offer to them instantly. It would turn you into the next Elon Musk. It's truly an unprecedented opportunity. Don't let it slip away. So don't wait any longer and click the buy button below to get access to Profit Tweet during the early bird launch that includes a massive $100 discount and lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of Twitter marketing together. Welcome to Profit Tweet.
Using Profit Tweet is as easy as logging in with your Twitter account, which we've already done, and then just selecting what you want to post. And we'll just go with the text post. We'll keep it simple. We'll select the account on the left side here and we'll type something like welcome to Profit Tweet. We can also schedule it or set it to appear to users only on a certain location, but we're just going to send it right now. Done. And if we now go to our Twitter profile, you're gonna see right here, welcome to Profit Tweet. Just posted along with another one of my tests. You can post photos, videos, links, anything you want directly from this dashboard. What's more, you can see your own activity. You can see everything about your account right here, and then you can modify and activate your Twitter bot from right here. And this is the main feature of Profit Tweet, this bot, which you can use to reply to people, to retweet messages, to follow, unfollow, to automatically send people welcome messages when they follow your account. You can change the targeting, if you want to change different tags or keywords, or if you want to focus on a certain type of followers. You can change the speed, how many times you want the bot to activate, how many times you want him to retweet, to follow. You can have the bot follow different filters. You can say exactly what you want to reply to users. You can follow different tags, you can follow different keywords. You can even search for usernames. If I would search here for Elon Musk, we'd get his account right here. We'd be able to edit, to follow it, and to put it in this Autoresponder. You can also blacklist if you don't want users to see you or to follow you. You can blacklist them here. You can also blacklist, different tags if you want the bot to completely ignore them. What's more, you have your own Twitter inbox right here. This means Profit Tweet gives you complete access over your Twitter account directly from this dashboard, so you don't need to open Twitter ever again. You then have different analytics right here done directly by Profit Tweet, so you can see how your account is doing. You can see different trends and you can select them by location. So if we go for worldwide, we'll see different trends that are raging right now. You can see your schedules. If you have everything placed in different days, you can see them right here, so you can have complete control over your own campaigns. You can manage all of your Twitter accounts right here, so you can be a fully fledged social media manager. You have your own dedicated file manager right here, in which you can upload images, videos, and you can have all of them in one simple place. And you can even add watermarks to your own images, so they can't be replicated at any point. Profit Tweet is an all-in-one solution for never opening your Twitter again and having it on autopilot. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.